Now we'll see how to find the Fourier series of the given graph. The Fourier series of the function f of x is equal to a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus b n sin nx. Here a naught, a n, b n are Fourier coefficients. So this Fourier coefficients can be found out from f of x. That is a naught is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral from minus pi to pi f of x dx. And an is equal to 1 by pi integral from minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. And bn is equal to 1 by pi integral from minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. So from the given graph, f of x can be written as it is 0 if it is x is lies between minus pi to 0, and it is x if x lies between 0 to pi. So now from that f of x we have to find the Fourier coefficient. First we have to find a naught. A naught is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral from minus pi to pi f of x dx. Here it is from the minus pi to pi is split into minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi. So it is 1 by 2 pi integral from minus pi to 0 f of x dx plus integral from 0 to pi f of x dx. Here from minus pi to 0 f of x is 0. So we are concentrating on the second part. So 1 by 2 pi integral from 0 to pi x dx. So if you integrate x, then it is x squared by 2, and if you substitute the limit 0 to pi, then it is equal to pi squared by 4 pi, that is equal to pi by 4. So a naught is equal to pi by 4. Now we'll find the Fourier coefficient an. So an is equal to 1 by pi integral from minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. So this can be written as 1 by pi integral from minus pi to 0 f of x cos nx dx plus integral from 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. And for minus pi to pi 0 f of x equal to 0. So this is equal to 1 by pi integral from 0 to pi x cos nx dx. I have taken I is equal to integral from 0 to pi x cos nx dx. So this is of the form integral u dv. So integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. So here I have taken u is equal to x and du is equal to dx. If you take dv is equal to cos nx dx, v is equal to sin nx by n. So I is equal to x sin nx by n, and substitute the limit 0 to pi minus integral from 0 to pi sin nx by n dx. So if you substitute the limit 0 to pi, this value is equal to 0. So if you integrate sin nx, it is cos nx. So it is cos nx by n squared, and substitute the limit 0 to pi. So it is equal to cos n pi divided by n squared. If you substitute 0, it is minus 1 by n squared. And we know cos nx is equal to minus 1 whole power n. And if you substitute the value of n, if the value n is even, then these two terms will be cancelled out. If n is odd, then it is equal to minus 2 divided by pi n squared. So an is equal to 0 if n is even, and it is equal to minus 2 by pi n squared if n is odd. Now we have to find the Fourier coefficient Bn. So Bn is equal to 1 by pi integral from minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. So this can be written as 1 by pi integral from 0 to pi x sin nx dx, because from minus pi to 0 f of x is 0. Here I have taken I is equal to integral from 0 to pi x sin nx dx. Here also it is of the form integral u dv. Here I have taken u is equal to x and du is equal to dx. So dv taken as sin nx dx. So v is equal to minus cos nx by n. So if you substitute this, it I is equal to minus x cos nx by n and substitute the limit 0 to pi plus integral from 0 to pi cos nx by n dx. If you substitute the limit pi and 0, this value is equal to minus pi cos n pi by n, and if you substitute the limit 0, it is 0. Then if you integrate the second term, it is minus sin nx by n squared with the limit 0 to pi. And so if you substitute the limit, this second term is 0, and cos nx is nothing but minus 1 whole power n, so it is equal to minus pi minus 1 whole power n divided by n. So Bn is equal to, if you 1 by pi and if you substitute this value of I, then it is equal to minus 1 whole power n plus 1 divided by n. So Fourier series of f of x is equal to, we know the value of a naught, an and bn. If you substitute here, it is equal to pi by 4 minus summation n is equal to odd and 2 by n squared pi into cos nx plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n plus 1 divided by n sin nx. So if you substitute various values of n, then it is equal to pi by 4 minus 2 by pi into cos x plus cos 3x by 3 squared plus cos 5x by 5 squared plus and so on, plus sin x minus sin 2x by 2 plus sin 3x by 3 minus sin 4x by 4 plus and so on. So this is the Fourier series of the function. Thank you.